Hello everybody, welcome back to Water Closet channel. Today, another parcel. Okay, let's open it. Nice cute little box. Alright, see, yellow color. Half of it. Okay, China brand. Front, you can see this. It's a one piece. Let's tune a bit. Yeah, like this. Hanghai Wang One Piece Eiichiro Oda Shisha Toy Animation. See Luffy and the rest of the gang. 真无线蓝牙耳机 True Wireless Earbud. Top, nothing. Little hook here. Left, you can see here is IPX7, which is waterproof. Yeah, 7 is waterproof. You can immerse in the water. Can see. Focus, man. Yeah, here is it. And the other side is LED indicator of the battery. Next, on the other side is barcode and 3000 milliampere battery of the charging case and Bluetooth 5.0. Behind is Mickey and SoAiy, and the box is like this. This is the two earbud here. Specification, okay. Bluetooth support HSP, HFP, A2DP, AVRCP. Voltage input 5 volt 1 amp. This is the frequency 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Charging 2 hours. Usage time for calling 6 hours. Sensitivity 96 plus minus 3 dB. This one is effective distance 10 meters. And the size of the case is 76.2 millimeters and 42.9 millimeters with 23 millimeter height, and it's China made. Okay, doesn't matter. I buy for the look and the addition of this one piece fan. Have fun. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. A bit damp here, but it's okay. I know it's from China. Long way from China. Okay, in a bit. Just see the box itself. Okay, let's open it. Alright, top nothing. And you can see this is a Straw Hat Crew, which is Luffy, the ship logos here. And the box charging case itself is on top here. Very nice, feeling so good. The engraving, you can feel it when you touch it. Very nice. The skull head here, one piece. Bottom, there's this opening for your USB, full USB type A outlet. You can use this to charge your other phone or other peripheral. Close it. Not that good, the seal here a bit loose, but it's okay. Then behind is the Funimation 20th anniversary one piece. Cool. Behind is a hinge here, left and right, nothing more. Okay, basically this one is the inside. I think the big battery is this one, this long lock, and the earbud itself, it's got a yellow color accent here. The charging connectivity behind here. Okay, is a magnet snap, not that strong, but it's able to hold it. Okay, you can see actually when you pull it up and then you just put it back, it started charging. Battery left here is 87%. You can see it's still charging this earbud. When you close it, you won't see it. I think you can see through here, but no, it's too thick. And then let's see, look back to the earbud itself. Actually, there is this logo here. Can you see it? Yeah, here you can see it. There's a logo here, and it's written there, the Straw Hat Crew. Basically, they have 3 different model with a 3 different casing. One is a solo one, and the other one is Luffy. Yeah, Luffy is, I think, is a truly yellow color. And how to charge this case, man? Yeah, I wonder how. Where is the port to charge this case? Oh yeah, you can see here. Actually, there's this small little USB, micro USB beside this big USB outlet. So this is the inlet here. Okay, oh my, they're hidden there. It's very hard to miss that out. Okay, this looks sleek. The entire box is a very rectangular box, and the touch is so good in hand. And let's see what is left over in the box here. There is this pop out, and there's this logos everywhere, man. Okay, behind there is this teach you how to pair and how you wear. Put inside your ear, then turn it 45 degrees and open it up. What else we can have here? Oh, it's a pouch, man, with a poster, I think. Yep, one-piece poster. And a manual behind, the poster in front. Who don't want this, man? Let's see, turn it up. Yep, there is the poster. And it's a cute little pouch here. Leather pouch. Smell it? Yep, smell of leather. And a few tips. Big size and a small size. A 2 big and an XL and a small size. And there's charging port. Charging cable, sorry. And how are we going to pair this? Okay, let's see. Take out my phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, I have disconnect all my other thing first. Disconnect. And then when I open it up, and okay, let's close this poster first, okay? Now it will be a mess here. Okay, go back box. There we go. Open it up. Okay, tune a bit. Let's see the box itself. Tune a bit. Pull it out. So basically, yeah, that's a blue color. They are pairing. So I'm here. I'm trying to off my Bluetooth and try to search. Okay, T5. You can see on my phone. T5 is here. So I push connect. And yep, it's connected. It's connected. And we can play some music. I'll put in my ear first, okay? Let's try to get some music. How about Kenny Delia? Okay. Hysteric Bullet. Well, it's a T5, you can see here. T5. Sounds are so. No bass. Not that no bass, the bass is not there. And vocal are okay. And it's for collection, I mean. That's not very good quality of the sound produced. I think it's okay, it's usable. And then the battery life is like 6 hours. I think it's better than much of the earbud on the market with this price. It's like $20. I bought this at $20, man. 20 Sing dollars, which is, I think it's very acceptable. Yep, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much and take care. Bye.